How will this class be graded? Since on-campus internships are a 4-credit class, the university requires that they be graded. While grades are how university students measure success, companies and real-world organizations measure performance. Because experiential programs are a blend of professional world and academics, so is our grading. There are 3 components that contribute to the grades of this course: performance, documentation, and effort. Performance is a measure of both what you accomplished and how you accomplished it. In our course, performance will be measured by both the company sponsor and your teammates. So let's look at how performance will be graded. Companies will measure the performance of the entire team, and each student on the team will receive the performance measurement assigned by the company to the team. Each student on the team will also measure the performance of the other members of their team through a 360 survey instrument. They will provide feedback on behaviors and the contribution of each team member to the team's performance. They will also suggest 3 strengths and 3 ways the teammates could improve their performance. All survey responses will be anonymous and shown only in aggregate for the entire team. This grid shows the company feedback on the y-axis and the team member feedback on the x-axis. When a company rates a team highly and the team members rate an individual highly, the corresponding grade for performance is an A. When the company rates a team with below expectation performance and the teammates also rate an individual low, then the corresponding grade for performance will be less than a C. Mixed ratings of performance by company and teammates' feedback will indicate a B or a C grade for performance. In most experiential learning classes, when a company rates the team as met expectation performance and the teammates rate an individual with an acceptable performance, then the grade is most commonly an A. Now, how will documentation be graded? During the semester, each team will be asked to document professional project activities and create standard documents associated with the process flow of completing a professional level project. Examples of professional project activities include setting up primary and secondary weekly meeting times for the team, primary weekly meeting times with the company sponsor, kickoff meetings, date, time, and location, team role assignments, goals, accomplishments, learning reflections, resume bullets, and other activities. These activities will be documented on the student dashboard for the class. Documents will also be created by the team and presented to the company sponsor through the dashboard uploading process. This will include engagement letter, work plan, midterm report, final report, and final presentation. These activities and documents will generally not be graded by the professor, but grading will be simply measured on whether they were completed and uploaded to the dashboard. The measurement of quality and quantity of work for these documents will be made by the company sponsors as part of their performance measurements. How will effort be measured and graded? Many companies measure performance of their lawyers, consultants, doctors, etc. through billable hours. Each of these professionals record the hours that can be billed to the clients of the company. Other companies measure the hours you work each day and week to determine effort. In this class, the quality and quantity output of your effort will be measured by the company sponsor survey and your Team 360 survey. But the hours of effort dedicated to the project will be measured on your timesheet, which is accessed through the dashboard. Each week you can record your hours worked, team meetings attended, work accomplished, and work planned for the upcoming week. As most classes are 3-credit hours, the university suggests that a combination of class time and homework should be 9 hours per week. Most 3-credit experiential learning classes encourage you to work 7 to 9 hours per week. See your class syllabus for actual grading metrics for average hours worked per week. In general, experiential learning projects and participants are not competitively graded, but a standard is established, and all those who meet the standard receive an A. But the real reward for an experiential project is the real-world learning and the experience gained by those who participate.